Wait, just let me record stuff.
This girl's on a mission. We're going to see what's going on. Look at the wet titties! Oh, look at her black bra. Oh, hey girl, hey.
What?
Holy shit. Look at the cocaine. Cocaine. Look at this fucking house. What the fuck? They spilled some fucking shit. Oh my. This is what Mariah drank. Look at this. It's goop. It's gonna eat you. Whoa. So.
Get out
She
of
eats
it,
that
you're
too.
making her more upset.
Ew. Fupa!
Oh my god, you guys are. Oh my god! I'm deleting that!
Stop. This bitch is obviously deleting this video. Okay, so secretly, I'm going to take her and put it on my computer, and then she can delete it. But I'll have my own copy. There you go. Let's look at this fupa. Where is that fupa? Fupa pooper. There's a fupa pooper. She's coming. She's coming.
That is the brown noise.
Oh my god, don't go in there. Oh my god.
What's in there? I told you it's a fucking
There's
walrus.
a big goblin
It's
in
a
there.
walrus.
It's a goblin.
It's a walrus.
I'm telling you, I saw a goblin
It's
too.
clearly a walrus.
Well, I think there's a goblin and a walrus.
It's probably both.
It's both. It's a mixed breed.
That's intense. Where's it at?
Don't come out of the room, I'll kill you guys. Get out of my fucking room.
Hey, Chris.
I don't even care.
Chris, this is for you.
I'm deleting it. I don't even
This
care.
is for Chris.
Nobody's ever gonna see
Look
that.
at her drawer. Look at her drawer. Please record her drawer. Real quick. Just record her drawer. It's real nice.
Get away!
It's nice, ain't it? Upholstery.
I'm putting this on my computer
I
right
tried to
fucking
lead
now.
on that.
Before you get this back, I'm sorry.
You don't have the cords.
I've got
You're
it.
not gonna find me.
I have a universal